Good morning, live from Quarantine Central, 5:53 in the morning. Yeah, feeling it. Just a quick video today about a couple things. First off, we're going to change the test format. It was going to be all essay, but we were going to take it in person, and obviously that's changed now. And some of you might think, well, why not just wait till Monday when we'll be back live and take it live? Well, I'd love to think that we're going to be back on Monday, but we were supposed to be back in school today, so we can't keep pausing and waiting to take the test. So it was going to be all essay. We were going to do it live, where I could keep an eye on you, but we can't do that anymore. So we're going to have to change the format to what we did on the last one, which is timed questions. And frankly, it went really well, guys. I'm not saying not everybody did a fantastic job on the test, but it was really, as a matter of fact, you guys did on average better on that test than you did on a regular test we take in class. So we're going to go back to that format. It's going to be all multiple choice. It's going to be timed questions. Um, all the information on the review sheet is all you need to know, though, still. So I'm going to take those questions and I'm going to kind of chop them up and turn them into multiple choice and stuff like that. So we'll do that tomorrow from noon to 4. So if you look at the schedule here, today is a review day, study day. Okay, so study for your time, and then at 2:30 today, which is the only place I could kind of fit it in with my wife's schedule and watching the baby and everything during the school day. So it has to be 2:30. I'm sorry, guys. If 2:30 doesn't work for you, you need to study and you need to Gmail me any questions that you have. But if you can make it to 2:30, we're gonna bring all the eighth graders in, all the classes at once. And you guys can come in and we'll do that thing where if you have any questions, we can answer them for you. Um, we can if I have time, which I might have time to throw together like a quick quizzes review game that you guys can take in there, something like that. But that'll be a chance to come and kind of get some practice for the test tomorrow. Okay, and that's my normal Zoom meeting room over here. And then tomorrow, noon to 4. That's it. And last time we did this test, I had like 12 kids that didn't take the test, and some of you guys didn't get back to me until like a week and a half later. Not playing games this time, guys. If you can't be there between noon and 4 tomorrow, I need to know ahead of time. Okay? Very, very strict on this. This was a nightmare for me personally, trying to get everybody to take the test. Okay, so noon and 4 tomorrow. Anywhere in that window, the test is going to take you 10 minutes. Okay? It's actually shorter than last one. It's a shorter chapter. Okay? So it's going to be like, I don't know, 15, 17 questions, somewhere in there. So it's only going to take you 10 minutes. Somewhere in there, you got to take the test. Okay? That's just how it is. If you cannot be there between noon and 4 tomorrow, then I need to know ahead of time. You need to Gmail me ahead of time and we can work something out. Okay? But none of this a week and a half later. Oh, hey, I didn't take that test. Gosh darn it. Okay? I'm sure some of you forgot. I'm sure some of you didn't notice. But that can't be all of you. You know what I mean? So get it in between noon and 4 tomorrow. So once again, recap. Okay, today is review day. Review on your own. Come to the meeting at 2:30 today, if at all possible. Okay. I imagine that's going to take about a half hour, and then get ready for the test tomorrow. Okay. If you have any questions whatsoever, please Gmail me. Other than that, have a great day.